What's up guys, I'm Kenny and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another tool review. So I had a family member send me a socket set, still in the box, and it's by Vevor. I thought we'd do an unboxing and a review and see how it is. So let's get grimy. Alright, so here it is, an unboxing. It's a heavy set. That's what it is. It says an impact socket set, quantity 65 piece. Super heavy, guys. So, right off the bat, nice hard case, sturdy case. Got these front latches here, which I like how they clip. It's got side snaps. They're not like the front ones though. See, not as sturdy as those. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, we got a little pad up there. And so, got a nice ratchet. Doesn't say how many teeth. I think it's probably like a 72 or a 90. Alright, we got extensions. We got like a 2-inch, 5-inch, says them on it, and a 10-inch. Then we got some adapters, 1/2 inch to a 3/8, and a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. And then we got metric and standard, stubby and deep. These are metric, they're from, we'll see, it's, hang on, let me focus. It's printed, it says 3/8, but if you turn it, it's engraved in it too. And they're 6-point. Can't beat that. So it's from a 3/8 up to 1.25 inches. That's both stubbies and deep wells. So, all 6-point. And then metric, we got 10 millimeter up to 24 millimeter. Now it says these are chrome vanadium, I don't know how to say that. Past my vocabulary. But seems like a pretty nice set. So I gotta do here, let's get some light on you. There you go. So I gotta do a couple jobs. I gotta do a brake job and an oil change, and then I gotta do the back struts on my Jeep. So I'm gonna try them out for a week or two, and I'll put those clips in now, and then we'll end it up with a full review. Also guys, I forgot to mention that I am now an affiliate with Amazon, so I have an Amazon storefront. I do get a small amount of commission if you buy products through my link, which I'll have it linked down below in the description. You will be able to find this socket set on there, but all the money that I'm going to get from the commission, I'm going to put it back into the channel, either for car parts or tools. So help support me and help support yourself. So here we go. Alright guys, so I've been using the socket set for like a little over a month now, and honestly I have no complaints about it. Everything seems to be pretty good quality wise. They've been all holding up pretty well. The ratchet's been holding up pretty good. It's got every size. You know how some sets skip certain sizes. It has all the sizes and everything. So I'm gonna definitely give it a 5 out of 5. Now I have heard that some people are doing the drop test or whatever you want to call it, where they purposely drop it and the sockets get all messed up. But who really is going to be just throwing their tool set around? Anyways, I take better care of my tools than that. But yeah, you can find it down in the link below on my storefront. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe and the bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.